Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Backrooms media game on your PC. Guys, first you have to open up your any browser and just search for the Steam. And once you search for that, now the Steam website will appear on the top, so you just need to open it. Now guys, you are seeing the login option on the right hand top. Just click on the login option, and here you just need to log into your account. And if you don't have an account, then create one. Guys, once you created the account, then click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top, and here just download the Steam and install it into your PC. Guys, this is very simple and easy. After that, just open up the Steam and log into your account. Then click on the top search box and just type here the Backrooms Media. And guys, this game will appear on the top, so you just click on the game to open it. And here in this page, you just need to scroll down. You'll see the option of Add to Cart. So you just need to click on the option of Add to Cart and click on the View My Cart option. And once you click on that, now click on the option of Continue to Payment. And once you click on that, now here you have to pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. Guys, once you pay the amount, then go to the library of your Steam, and on the left hand side you will find the game, which is the Backrooms Media. Just click on that, click on the install, and this is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please like it, and I will see you guys in the next video.